Hello students, program is Bachelor of Science in Botany, second year, semester 4. Course code is BOS 102, course title Herbal Technology, Unit 2 Pharmacognosy. Module name Plant Morphology and Organoleptic Characters, Biological Source, Chemical Constituents and Medicinal Uses of Coriander, that is Coriandrum sativum. Myself Ashish Prabhugaonkar from sorry, myself Ashish Prabhugaonkar, Assistant Professor at DCT's Dhempe College of Arts and Science, Panji, Goa. In this module, we will see morphology of coriander plant. We will also learn organoleptic characters, biological source, chemical constituents, and medicinal uses of coriander. At the end of this course, unit, we should be able to understand pharmacognosy of coriander. Coriandrum sativum is the botanical name of coriander. In Sanskrit, it is called dhanyaka. In Konkani, we call the dry seeds as suki kotmir, and in the leaves we call oli kotmir. Hindi, it is dhania. In Bengali, dhane. Tamil, kottamali. English, coriander for the dry seeds, and cilantro for green leaves. In our traditional literature, we find lot of references to the coriander. One of the references, it says dhanyakam maduram sheetam kashayam pittanashanam jarakasa trusharshadi kapahari cha deepanam. It means coriander is madura, shita and kashaya in its properties. It is beneficial in direj pitta, fever, cough, thirst, vomiting, direj kapha. It is also a gastric stimulant. Coriander is cultivated throughout India. It is an annual herb, glabrous. Leaves are decompound. Ultimate segments of the leaves of lower leaves are ovate or lanceolate. Flower is the inflorescence is compound umbels. The calyx teeth are acute, often unequal. Petals are ovate, emarginate. The flowers are white to purplish in color. Fruits are subglobose. Seeds are about thrice as broad as thick. Seeds can be said as cremocarps. Each cremocarp is made of two hemispherical mericarps. Apex of the seed has short stylopod. It contains 10 primary ridges which are wavy and not prominent, and there are 8 secondary ridges on the seed which are prominent. The color of the seed is yellowish brown. The odor of the seeds is aromatic and the taste of the seed is spicy in nature. The flowering and fruiting of the plant generally take place between February to April. The parts of the plant used are whole plants, that is fruits, seeds or leaves. Chemical constituents in coriander. The seeds have lemony citrus flavor. The aromatic flavor is lemony citrus in nature. The flavor of the coriander seed is often described as having warm, nutty, spicy and orange flavor. Coriander is rich in vital vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, calcium, magnesium, iron and phosphorus. The active ingredients in coriander are volatile oil, that is 0.4 to 1.7%, This volatile oil will include linalool, gamma-terpinene, alpha-pinene, camphor, decanal geranyl acetate, limonene, geraniol, camphene, and D-limonene. Fatty oil is 30 to 21%, which consists of oleic and linoleic acid, uranocoumarins, umbelliferone, scopolatins. It has powerful antioxidant properties because of the presence of carotenoids, flavonoids, anthocyanins. It also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial functions. Therapeutic uses: the whole plant juice of fresh plant is beneficial in erythema. Erythema is redness of the skin which occurs without any cause or underlying disease. Strong decoction of coriander in milk with little sugar is useful in dyspepsia. Dyspepsia is shortness of breath, flatulence, indigestion, bleeding piles. Seeds have properties such as antibilious, antihelminthic, aphrodisiac, aromatic, carminative, diuretic, refrigerant, stimulant, stomachic, and tonic. Coriander water is useful in indigestion and other bowel complaints. Infusion or decoction of dried fruits is beneficial in bilious complaints, common catarrh, flatulence, indigestion, intestinal troubles, sore throat, and vomiting. Decoction of dried leaves is also used as eye wash in chronic conjunctivitis. It is a good carminative in combination with cardamom and caraway seeds. Seeds can be chewed to correct foul breath. Cold infusion of seed of coriander with little sugar is efficacious to drive away colic problem in children. These are some of the references. Thank you.